Hello. Thank you for viewing me. This is Lady Viv at Lady Viv Tarot. And as if you know me by now, if you're an avid follower, I do varieties, okay? Not just star reading or pendulum, but I'd like to provide some, sharing knowledge. That's what I do. So today we're going to I just would like to share the archangels and angels, and this one is applicable. I'll try to say it in some Tagalog too, if I can. So, yung mga archangels and angels na makatulong sa atin sa pang-araw-araw natin na I don't know how to say this. Need assistance. Oh dear. I just say it. I'm sorry, but anyway, whatever comes out basically. So I'll just read what I can, and just very informal, like a discussion. So I'll share what I usually call on if I need help. Kasi ito is applicable sa daily lives ninyo, okay? Yung tumatawag tayo ng angel, archangel if we need something. And anything that helps us. So, let me start with this. Okay, so we usually call on a different like archangel. So I'm going to, like me as a reader, if you know me, I'm not just I'm a formal certified reader, basically tarot reader. The reason why I have a lot of certification is because I want to exercise a formal, I understand like proper etiquette, and to do tarot readings or any type of divinations to others, so I better understand the basic, okay? It's not just your spiritual guidance to provide, it's also understanding about anything else that involves being a tarot reader. So it is being respectful to everybody, because everybody's question, including what I'm doing, either we usually encounter bad energies, negative energies, people who are skeptical